thousands kinds of yarns are placed in the warehouse for making various types of patches. The woven labels woven by the Muller weaving machine, with various colors and fine workmanship. High-frequency process, using the high frequency of the machine to press the patches into shape. Dispenser, use dispensing method to drip PVC rubber material into a fixed pattern mold. After dispensed, the patches needs to be baked and formed. Then separate the formed patches from the mold. Labels cutting and folding machine, through the cutting machine to cut and fold the labels into a fixed pattern. Laser machine, the finished patches is lasered into a fixed pattern through the laser machine. Labels cutting machine, after making the label, then perform strip cutting. Labels rotary machine, which processes texts, pictures, photos and other manuscripts through plate making, ink application, pressure and other processes. Transfer the ink to the surface of fabrics, leather and other materials. Fully automatic screen printing machine, silk screen is used as the plate base, and through the automatic screen printing machine. Print text, patterns on the surface of fabrics and other materials. Handmade silkscreen printing, using silk screen as the plate base, and making a silkscreen printing plate with pictures and texts by hand. Onto the webbing. Finished silkscreen webbing. Hand-printed silkscreen logo trademark. Labels cutting machine, according to the design requirements, use the machine to cut the leather label into a fixed pattern. Labels cutting machine, according to the design requirements, use the machine to cut the leather label into a fixed pattern. Heat pressing machine, put the leather into the machine, and press the pattern and text onto the leather base by heating and pressing at the same time. Semi-automatic screen printing machine, using silk screen as the plate base, and printing text and patterns on the surface of the material through the semi-automatic screen printing machine. In the high-frequency workshop, the staff work meticulously and strive to make good products more efficiently. In the quality inspection workshop, the staff are rigorously inspecting the quality of the goods. Manual work area, staff threading string seal.